In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing and demonstrating these pretty cool LED RGB light bulbs from ILC right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a company by the name of ILC has decided to send me this very cool 8-pack of light bulbs. Now these are not your ordinary everyday light bulbs. These are not only LED, but they are also RGB, which means they change to multiple different colors. So what really comes, so just to start this review with, thank you so much for ILC for sending me this product as a sponsored item. This is very cool. I've been using them for a few weeks now at the least, and I really like this this light set. I think it's very cool, and the fact that it comes with multiple remotes. I'll show you guys that here in a minute when I do the unboxing. But as you can see right on the box, these light bulbs, all they use is 5 watts, which are equivalent to a 40 watt bulb. 5 watts is nothing, guys. That's like the least amount of LED light bulb electricity usage that I've seen. 5 watts is very low. I know I've seen 8 watts, 9 watts, 10 watts, but 5 watts is super low. So these consume very little energy and giving you a whole bunch of functionality at the same time. So again, they sent me this 8 bulb light set. That's a multi-pack with multi-remote controls. And so this is the brand. Keep it in mind, guys. I'll have the links in the description if you are interested. The brand is called ILC. It's very reasonably priced as well, and it's your regular size light bulb socket. So for example, let me show you what's in the box. So as you open up the box, let me move this wrapper out the way. You get a nice 2-year warranty, and this is your this is like a user manual. There's their website, there's their email address, and it seems like you get a reply within 12 hours. That's pretty good. So the fact that you get a 2-year warranty is very cool. And this is actually a colored user manual. Look how nice this manual is, guys. So very nice. I'll get that out of the way. And as you can see, I have already taken one light bulb, which I've already installed in the kitchen. It's been for at least a few weeks and it's been working very good. And the fact that these light bulbs, they come with 4 remote controls, and the remote controls are all the same. So you get 2 here on the right, and as you can see here on the left, you get 2 more on the left, and the remote controls are exactly the same. And you can use these remote controls on any of these 8-pack light bulbs, and they should work exactly the same. And they do come with new batteries installed inside the remote controllers. All you have to do is peel out this plastic. This is what separates the battery from the contacts. So you just pull that out. I'm not going to do that here. You just pull that out and the remote starts working right away. So let me go ahead and show you. And let me show you what the light bulb actually looks like. They're sort of like mini light bulbs, but they have a regular socket, just like a regular, I believe this is called the A19 type of socket, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me in the comments right down below. But it's your regular everyday light bulb socket is what I'm trying to say. I believe it's the A19 model, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so it looks like a regular light bulb, but this entire 8-pack is RGB, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they have different quantities. Well, maybe I'm wrong about that. I'll have to double check. But let me show you a quick demo to how many different type of colors and exactly what the colors look like and the functions of this remote control. Because as you can see here, there's the on button, the off button. I think this is like a dimmer right here, or you can put the light bulbs on a timer, say like a 10-second timer or a 15-second timer. You can have the light bulb constantly change colors from like fade in or fade out, something like that, where the light bulb constantly changes colors. It just cycles through all the colors like every 4 or 5 seconds. And then there's different settings, or you can just have it on a solid color. You can have red, green, blue, orange, yellow, purple, and I believe this is the regular light color, which I believe is like a 2700K, if I'm not mistaken. But this is a non-colored. So yeah, so let me go ahead and jump in to show you what the colors light looks like when the light bulb is plugged in. and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see how nice this is. Again, guys, this only uses 5 watts. That's barely any power. I mean, you can have the sucker on all day and all night, and it's barely going to cost you anything. So let me kind of show you that. Alright guys, so as I was saying earlier, you can have this in the dim mode, as you can see right here on the remote control. So you can press off, that turns the light off. You can have it in dim mode. Oops. You need to turn it on first to have it on. Then you can have it in dim mode. You can have it on this button right here changes. It makes the light bulb go through different cycles. So it's going to go through every single color that's available. And I think there was like 6 and 6 is about 12, a dozen of different colors, maybe a little bit more. And then, or you can put the light bulb on a timer, so you can press that. See how it blinked there? And now it's going to change to a different color every 4 or 5 seconds, give or take. And I think this other timer, this other right side button right here, it seems like, pretty much seems like it does the same thing. Or you can have this button right here. This also changes to a different color and a dimmer light. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you see how it just went from red to orange to yellow. So it's kind of like fade in, fade out type of thing. And then there's also, or you can just have a solid red. You have green, you have blue. I mean, these are very nice colors, guys. In the kitchen, in your bedroom, in the living room, wherever in the garage, wherever you want to put this light bulb at. There is that's like a orange color. There is baby blue, there is regular blue, purple, yellow, actually that's orange, I think that's orange. There's blue again, there's pink, there's yellow, and then this is the regular light bulb color. I think this is a 2700K. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'll leave that in the description for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this very cool and awesome RGB light set from ILC. If you guys found any benefits in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, I really appreciate that. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and drop me a line right down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, if you're interested in buying an 8-pack of these wonderful RGB LED lights, you can find that link inside the description along with any coupon codes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.